Content disappears, assets compound. Creators are figuring this out now, and if you're still grinding content without building assets, you're playing the wrong game. Let me explain. Think about the last video you posted, the reel, the short, the tweet. How long did it matter? Maybe a day, maybe a week. Then the algorithm moved on, new content buried it, views stopped. That's how content works. It's rented attention. Here today, gone tomorrow. Now think about an asset, a prompt you built that generates high converting ad creatives. You upload it once, it sells this month, it sells next month, it sells a year from now. That's not rented, that's owned. Most creators don't understand this difference. They spend all their time creating content, chasing views, feeding the algorithm, and every single day they start from zero again. But the smartest creators in 2026, they figured out something important. Content is distribution, but prompts are assets. Your content gets people's attention, but your prompts generate income over and over without you doing more work. Here's what this looks like in practice. A creator spends months figuring out prompts that work. Prompts for ads, prompts for visuals, prompts for video scripts, prompts for product photography. Every prompt took testing, refining, iterating until the output was perfect. That library of prompts, that's not a notes folder, that's a portfolio of assets. Now instead of giving those prompts away free in descriptions, in Google Docs, in comments, they upload them to on-prompt ads. They set a price. They share the link in their content. Now every video they post has a second purpose. The content is the distribution. The prompt is the product. Views come and go, but the prompt keeps selling. That's the shift happening right now. Content creators are becoming asset builders. And the asset they're building? Prompts. Here's why this matters for you. If you've been creating content using AI, you already have assets. You just don't realize it. Every prompt that generates great output, that's an asset. Every workflow you build to create ads or visuals or videos, that's an asset. Every system you figured out that other creators would want, that's an asset. You're sitting on value and treating it like disposable notes. The question is, are you going to keep giving it away or are you going to start building real ownership? Here's what I want you to do. Stop thinking like a content creator. Start thinking like an asset builder. Go to onpromptads.com, register, upload the prompts you've already created. Turn your knowledge into products. Turn your workflows into income streams. Because content will always be a grind. You post, it fades, you post again. But assets compound. You build once, you earn repeatedly. The creators who understand this are building wealth, not just views. Everyone else is stuck on the content treadmill, wondering why they're exhausted and broke. Which one do you want to be? Content disappears, assets compound. Start building assets.